Hello and welcome to English learning. In this video, I will read a morning speech on the topic good manners. So without wasting much time, let's begin. A very good morning to everyone present out here. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, all the teachers, non-teaching staffs, brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the importance of good manners in our lives. Good manners are not just a set of rules. They are a reflection of our respect and consideration for others. When we practice good manners, we create a more harmonious and pleasant environment for everyone. Simple gestures like saying please and thank you, holding the door open for someone, giving up your seat to someone in need, speaking politely or expressing our point of views without sounding too rude or harsh may seem small, but they have a profound impact. They show kindness, empathy, and a willingness to make others feel valued. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the significance of good manners, but they are fundamental to building our overall personality, strong relationships, whether at home, work, or in our communities. They demonstrate our character and integrity, making us more approachable, trustworthy, and a sensible human beings. Let us not forget that practicing good manners is a way of showing our respect for others and ourselves. By cultivating good manners, we not only contribute to a more respectful, compassionate society, but also show how we are raised at home. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying, preach to others by your good manners. Thank you. So with this, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to English Learning as well. See you in my next video and thank you so much for watching.